Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to filter data in mPower. Let's say I want to get a list of all my rock songs. What I can do is just highlight the cell that contains rock and hit display. And what that does, it just gives me a list of all the rock songs in my file. Additionally, I want to exclude some of the years of the rock songs. So let's say I don't want 1972, I can highlight that, and going down here, I don't want 1985 either, so I can highlight those two, and I've got both of those in selected here, and I can just say hide, and now I've got a list of all rock songs less 1972 and 1985. Now let's say I want to filter these records based on data in a different tab or different spreadsheet. So I'm going to go over to my top 70s group, and in here I've got a list of the top groups from the 1970s, and I want to take some of these and filter these out of that list. When I do it from another spreadsheet, I can highlight a couple, as many of these as I want, and copy them. But I cannot do the control shift, taking individual ones like this. It's got to be a continuous list. So let's just say I do want to take these records that I'm selecting. I can just apply the filter here, like I did in the other one, and then I can copy these. So you have to copy them from this tab, and then I'll bring those back to my tab that I want to filter. And here I have to highlight the column because I'm bringing them from a different spreadsheet or a different tab. And now if I hit display, now it's filtered to just additionally the records that I just copied from the other tab. You may have also noticed that in this tab they're all uppercase, but in my songs tab they're not uppercase, and the filter finds records like that, but the characters in them do have to be identical. So that is, you can't have, let's say, a period at the end of a name in this one and not in the other one. So in that way they do have to be the same. Now for one more quick example, I'm going to undo all the filters. So now there's no filters turned on. And in here, as you notice, maybe there are some rows that have blank elements like date and um, album. So maybe I want to filter just on these blanks because I've got to clean it up, remove them, whatever I'm going to do with them. As you probably know, I can just highlight that and hit display. And then from that, I get the list of all the blank date records. And then in genre over here, you see I also have blanks. So maybe I want to say where this is not equal to blank. And I hide all those blanks. So now I got all blank dates with all genre that is actually got a value in it. So this can be pretty powerful when you're working with files, trying to clean them up, do whatever with them. Hope this video was helpful, and have a great day. Thank you.